Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about geometry. The topic today that is about the circle. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula of the circle in here. That is about x minus a to the power of 2 plus y minus b to the power of 2 equals to r squared. And now we have 3 points in here. This is for x, this is for y, and so on in here. So we put the value of x and y on here. And now we have 3 equations. So I will put number 2 going here, negative number 1, negative number 1, and this one will go in here, number 0 go in here. This is about the first step, and the next one we see that we have same r square, and r square. Now I will combine this one equals to this one because we have same r square in here. So this one equals to this one, and this one equals to this one. So we can find the value of a and b in here. So if we expand everything, we have this one like this. A plus b equals to number 1. Now we go to the second one. And that is the answer for the second equation. Now we can find the solutions of A and B. So in this one, I will put B go in here. B A go in here, and we have 1 minus 8. So if we have 1 minus 8, we put this one, and we can find the value of A. And this one we have A equals to number 2. So B equals to negative number 1. We put number 2 on here, and we have negative number 1. So we go back in here. So we put A go in here, negative number 1 go in here. About R, so we put A equals to number 2 go in here, negative number 1 go in here, and we have number 3 square. So R equals to number 3. And here is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.